Down in Utah, Alabama, in 1965, a young man about 21, no different than you or I. He's catching catfish and getting drunk, but Uncle Sam called. He called him up, send him out to Vietnam. That young man, upside down, turned his smile into a frown, dropped that king of his crown for an ideal he didn't even know about. He was gambling at the wagon when that army man showed up, and he flashed that pen and paper, and old Fluky, he signed up. It's gonna be a big time in the jungle, gonna be a firefight, gonna be a rumble. Send me out to Vietnam, I'll fight 10 men. I got nothing left in the States for me. I wanna see the world, you see. I know that Uncle Sam needs me to fight for an ideal I know nothing about. Dusty and the drill sergeant was loud, and he could not see the corpses for the raging dust cloud. Grab your duffel bags, head to the checkpoint. Welcome to Vietnam, boys. You're in for a hell of a fight. Take it from the ones who know. The army moves slow. Hurry up and wait. Don't sleep late. Learn to hate your brother before you hate your foe. On patrol out in the rice fields, them choppers flew low, glancing up for the hand signal to tell you where to go. Then the bombs started falling, and they pounded his brain, and he thought about Utah and who went him to Vietnam.